Hi, my name is Steven from SEEDA and 3dprinterstore.com. In this video I will be presenting the new XYZ Printing Part Pro 300. The Part Pro 300 is equipped with a heated build chamber which allows you to print more demanding materials. It has a build area of 300 by 300 by 300 millimeters. This printer can reach resolutions up to 50 micron or 0.05 millimeters. In practice, users go for 100 micron for high details and 200 microns for maximum efficiency. The Part Pro 300 is designed to work with materials such as PLA, PET and ABS. Thanks to the heated chamber, we can also process engineering materials such as nylon, carbon PLA and polypropylene. With its large build area and heated chamber, the Part Pro 300 has applications for functional prototypes, customized end-use parts, jigs, tooling and fixtures, inspection tooling and much more. The Part Pro 300 was specifically engineered to offer users an easy manufacturing experience. It's equipped with a motorized auto calibration feature, so users never have to rely on eyesight calibration for manufacturing high quality parts. The generic software guides the user seamlessly, offering the best recommended settings, so design to manufacturing times are reduced to the minimum. The printer can easily be set up in any office and work floor environment thanks to its small footprint. The price of this printer, including all needed equipment, is €4,990. The pros of this machine are summarized: the heated build chamber, wide range of material, easy to set up and user-friendly, great value for a plug-and-play engineering printer. There are also some cons on this 3D printer. At this moment, you can't fine-tune all the parameters like you maybe want to. But you don't need to. It's a real plug-and-play 3D printer, so you can print all the materials you like without worrying about the parameters. Thanks for watching. If you would like any further information, book a meeting in our showroom to see this machine in real life. Don't hesitate to contact us.